So you've got a bunch of files here, and when you double click on them it automatically opens an app that handles that file. So for instance, for these text files here, if I double click it will open TextEdit. That's the default for these kinds of files. Now suppose you want to open it with something else. You can control click to bring up the context menu and then select Open With, and you'll get a list here of all the different apps that handle this kind of file. Now some will allow you to edit it, like for instance Text Wrangler or BBEdit. Others will do different things like import it, like some of these image editing apps here, or maybe even web browser that'll just allow you to view it. But they'll all handle in some way that type of file. So I can open up with Text Wrangler. It's a free text editing app that you can get in the Mac App Store. And now I can just simply edit that file this one time using Text Wrangler. But the next time I double click it will open it up in TextEdit. Now if I wanted to have that file opened all the time in a different app, I can control click on it to bring up the context menu again, but hold the Option key down and Open With changes to Always Open With. Now I can select Text Wrangler. It'll open it, it'll confirm, and then now it opens a Text Wrangler. But now when I close it and I double click again you can see that file always opens with Text Wrangler. However, another file of the same kind, like test4.txt, that will still open in TextEdit. It's only this one file that has a flag set now to open in Text Wrangler instead of TextEdit. I could change that back by control clicking again, select Always Open With, and select TextEdit, the default here, so that one now opens in TextEdit. I can also get information on here. So I can do File, Get Info, or Command I with that file selected. And I've got an Open With section here. And I can set that to be TextEdit, Text Wrangler, BBEdit, anything I want. In addition I can hit this Change All button that appears here. And now all files that are that same type are going to now open with Text Wrangler. So it tells you here this will change. This change will apply to all documents with the extension .txt. So I hit Continue, and now when I double click on another text document it opens in Text Wrangler. I can get info on that, and you can see here it indeed is set to open with Text Wrangler. I can set it back to TextEdit, change all, and now they all once again will open in TextEdit.